Hello developers, hopes you are doing well. So in this video, I will tell you how we can get the arguments, whatever we have in the deep link. First, we try the older approach, whatever we do without this navigation graph. We just try to get a intent and from the intent data, we get the data, right? So we will just try to add a breakpoint to this fragment 3 and just attach a debugger and navigate to the message. Okay, now if we try require activity dot intent dot data. Okay, so now you can see here we have all the data, whatever is sent via deep link. Okay, we have user ID as 4 and we have the argument as 1. So this is the older approach. Okay, so now let's see how we can achieve this with the help of navigation graph. Okay, so for this part, we need to create the argument with the same name whatever we specify in our deep link. Okay, so again go to design tab. If you notice here, we have defined this one, right? The dynamic path as a id and dynamic query as a arg1. Okay, so we will use the same name here plus. So first I will call it as a id, and this id will be of type long. Default value will be -1. Similar way, I will create one more entry for this fragment 3 and I will call it arg1, and let's say I call it as a long, and the default value again will be -1. Okay, now just run the app. Okay, now again go back, attach debugger, open message, click on link. Okay, now you are already aware like how we can get the value from safe args. So we will just simply call fragment 3 arg dot from bundle. Then it will be require argument. We just first try to evaluate this one. Okay. So now if you see here, we have two things. One will be ID, which is 4, and second is argument 1, which is 1, which is same whatever we specify in our deep link. So if you see here, we are passing a path value as a 4 and argument 1 as a 1. So from this way, we can get all the values whatever we passed from the deep links. So that much for this video, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.